In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a FAQ page on Shopify. Having an FAQ page is incredibly valuable for your online store, as it helps address common questions your customers might have, improving their experience while potentially reducing your customer support workload. So, let's dive into the process and make it as clear and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. From your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Online Store section, which you'll find on the left-hand menu. Click on it, and then select Pages. This is where you'll be managing the various standalone pages on your shop, like the one we're going to create today. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll need to create a new page. Look for the button that says Add Page, and go ahead and click on that. When you're prompted to name your new page, enter FAQ, as this will make it clear what the page is about to both you and your customers. Now with your new page set up, you'll find a content box waiting for your input. This is where you'll be adding the questions and answers that you'll be including in your FAQ. It's important to organize this content clearly so your customers can easily find the information they need. For structuring your FAQs, you have a few options. You can format your questions as headings, using styles like H2 or H3 to make them stand out. Questions formatted as headings not only catch the eye, but also help with SEO, making your page more search-friendly. For your answers, write them out clearly and concisely in paragraphs. Remember, the goal is to be as informative as possible without overwhelming your readers. To further enhance clarity, consider using bullet points or numbered lists. These formats are especially useful if you have multiple points to address within a single answer. Lists help keep your information digestible and user-friendly. Once all your questions and answers are in place, it's time to save your hard work. Look towards the top or bottom of the page for the Save button and click on it. And there you have it, a fully set up FAQ page on your Shopify store. Remember, a well-constructed FAQ page not only improves the user experience for your customers, but also contributes to a smoother operating process on your end by reducing repeated inquiries. As your business grows and changes, be sure to revisit your FAQ page periodically to update any information and ensure it's still meeting the needs of your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Shopify!